Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, March the 23rd, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have yesterday cumulative updates that were released for three versions of Windows 10, Anniversary Update, the Creators Update, and the Fall Creators Update were all updated with mostly bug fixes, but they are available if you haven't checked out your Windows updates in your Windows 10 machine, and mostly bug fixes, as I've said. A lot of them don't necessarily have anything to do with regular users, but there are a few things in there that might maybe fix some of your problems. Huawei is actually getting more difficult to find in the United States. It seems that, it all started with the fact that there's possibilities or rumors of Chinese spying through the Huawei phones. So a lot of companies, including the U.S. government, says that they don't want to have Huawei devices at any U.S. government facility. Well, Best Buy has decided to stop selling the devices. So that's kind of putting another nail in the coffin of Huawei in the U.S. So that's kind of interesting, and we don't know what's going to happen next with the brand, but it seems that Huawei won't have a successful time in the US. If you have an Android device and you have Cortana installed, with the latest update you can now ask to text or call contacts without having to touch or tap on your device. All you have to do is just, as long as your device is unlocked, you can actually just, ask Cortana to call somebody and have a conversation without ever touching your phone. Well, Microsoft has decided that it will actually put its weight behind the Cloud Act, which is something that will make it much clearer in the US to know what is legal and what cannot be done with the overseas data storage. It seems that the Cloud Act will actually give really clear guidelines of what you can and what you can't do. And Microsoft decided that, yeah, okay, it's a good idea. Let's join forces and try to have something cool going with this. Well, a certain number of users are reporting that the Galaxy S9 has dead zones on the touchscreen. And Samsung, of course, is investigating, but it seems that a small but still significant number of users have these issues. And apparently, you might not necessarily need or have some kind of a defective screen. We don't really know. And there are, of course, a few websites that decided to put a test online on basically how to test out the touchscreen. Amazon delivery drones might actually be able to see hand gestures and have facial recognition capabilities. So basically, some reports also say that if people shout at it, it will react. So this is all in an effort to probably make the Amazon delivery by drones as precise as possible with anything that you would buy on Amazon. Facebook is apparently able to control you. Well, a report says that Facebook, by the way that it actually displays information, actually controls your mind somehow. But that same report says there's a lot of tech giants that have websites, and you don't really know. You don't really feel like it, but the way that they actually display information actually controls a little bit of what you're going to do, which is kind of scary when you think about it. The city of Atlanta, systems are down. Apparently, a large-scale ransomware attack on its computers is going on right now. The city website says that there are some glitches, tech glitches, and that the site will be back soon online. But the employee anonymously sent news sources a screenshot of the ransomware on her computer, and apparently asking for $6,800 per computer to unlock. So, this is what happens when you don't really take care of your systems. Don't believe the hype, apparently. 71% of IT workers say that artificial intelligence is not at all part of their work strategy right now, and only a small portion of systems actually use it, or sometimes, some cloud systems will have part of it. But it will take some time before most of the tech actually will be AI driven. So, a lot of reports tend to they kind of want to say that, AI is driving the world right now. Well, it's really not the case. Well, advertisers have decided to pull some ads from Facebook. A lot of companies are mad and saying that now we need to have clear guidelines of what actually can be done with the data from users because it's bad what just happened. Mozilla is one of them, and they say that they are removing their ads on the social media platform as long as it's not more transparent to its users. So another way of hitting, of course, Facebook hard is with ad revenue. Walmart is actually has basically released 2 patents for smart shopping cart and a smart drone. So the smart shopping cart will actually help you understand and find what you want. It can pair with your phone if you have a grocery list and so on. And the smart drones can also fly around with you and help you find whatever product you are looking for. So that's going to be interesting, going to a Walmart and having drones fly over your head. So this is the Tech News Update for Friday, March 23rd, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.